Many people want to improve their health and achieve extraordinary goals, but most encounter obstacles and barriers along the path that prevent them from reaching their peak potential. The most common barriers people face when they decide to get healthier and climb Extraordinary Health Mountain fall into the following 3 categories: physical, mental, and financial. In this video, we'll focus on identifying the common physical barriers most people face and give you some simple tips to help you overcome them. Physical barriers become apparent in our way of living. We live in an obesogenic society. This is an environment that promotes obesity. Our busy schedules have made us creatures of convenience, and the foods we perceive to be most convenient are often calorie-dense and nutrient-poor. These foods can be found everywhere, from grocery stores to convenience stores and the myriad of fast food establishments in between. Since they're readily available and convenient, it seems easier to choose them, even if they're unhealthy. Because they're loaded in calories and because our busy and sedentary lives keep us from being active, we store up the extra calories as fat rather than burn them up as fuel. Overcoming physical barriers requires 3 kinds of personal power: willpower, skill power, and thrill power. First, we need to have the will to say no to distractions and temptations that try to interrupt our journey. Second, we need to learn the skills necessary, aka the extraordinary habits of health, that'll set us up for a successful climb to reach our peak potential. These skills involve being prepared, such as having a healthy snack before going to a dinner party, bringing healthy snacks to sporting events so you're not tempted to eat at concession stands, or packing a few healthy snacks in a carry-on when traveling. Finally, it'll also take thrill power to keep climbing toward our goals. If getting healthier and improving our health does not become an enjoyable and exciting journey, you'll end up setting up camp in a comfort cave or find yourself sliding back down into the valley of complacency before you know it. Do you have goals that stretch you beyond your comfort zone? Have fun with it, and you'll increase your chances of achieving them. When experienced mountain climbers set out to scale a mountain, they're often aware it will not be an easy trek. However, between their insatiable desire of conquering the mountain, their unwavering commitment to achieving the summit, and their skilled climbing techniques, they summon the strength to overcome any difficulty they may encounter in the climb. In the same way, those that set out to climb Extraordinary Health Mountain must uncover the power necessary to overcome the barriers they'll face. Making the commitment to overcome any obstacle, implementing healthy habits, and not losing sight of the fun in the process are essential for successfully making it to the top. Being prepared for the difficulties and choosing to face them anyway can mean the difference between reaching the summit of success or not. Physical preparation equals success. For a complimentary health coaching session and a list of over 100 convenient, cost-friendly, and healthy snacks between 100 and 200 calories, contact the person that sent you this video.